কোন দিকে তাকাবো? এই যে বড় ক্যামেরার দিকে। আচ্ছা, dear students, how are you? I am a bit late today. However, today I will take English first paper, Unit 13, Food Adulteration, and I will read the first lesson. Food adulteration reaches new height. At first, we should know what does adulteration mean. Let us know the meaning of the word. Adulterate. Latin adulterate means to corrupt. Latin adulterate means to corrupt. And in English, adulterate means to make something poorer in quality. By adding another substance. So, adulterate means Latin, it originates from the Latin word to adulterate, to corrupt, and in English it means to make something poorer in quality by adding another substance. Making something poorer. Usually we try to make our finished product or any of our performance, we try to make it rich in quality, but it is willingly made poorer. That means, of course, it is a very negative work. And when we say, okay, next, adulterate, it is verb. And we get other two words, adulterant. Adulterant. Adulterant and adulteration. Adulterant and adulteration. Adulteration is noun and adulterant can be used both as adjective and noun. What is the duster? Duster. Okay. Both as adjective and noun. Adulterant can be used both as adjective and noun. Adulterant, the object which adulterates. Okay. And adulteration, the process of adulterating something. Okay. There is another word similar in pronunciation. What is that word? Do you know? I think you know. That is adultery, and both are noun. Adultery refers to a special kind of human relationship. adultery, it refers to a kind of human relationship, and adulterer is the person who takes part in that relationship. So, our issue of discussion is not adultery, we will talk about adulterate, adulteration. Students, do you have textbooks before you? Whenever I read any text before my students, I always tell them to bring their text, to open their text. I could have used a laptop to hang my articles here, but I think it had not been benefited for you. It is harmful, harmful for your eyes to stay, to remain for a long time before computer, sitting before computer or using mobile phone. Okay, for this reason, you will bring your textbook from the room and sit before me. Thank you. I am going to start reading the text, but I think you have read paragraph, how to write, you have read paragraphs developed by several techniques, and today if we read this essay, this article, food adulteration reaches new height, before reading this we should know this essay has been written following cause and effect technique. Cause and effect. So, at first we will get, if we read the essay, you will get the reasons behind that effect. What is the effect? Okay, we will learn it later, but one thing, information for you, that this essay, it has been adapted as a text for you from a newspaper, the Dhaka Tribune, from a newspaper, the Dhaka Tribune, and it was published there long time ago. Food adulteration, or food adulteration reaches new height. And you students, you who are 16, 17 years old, you may think how horrific it is that in your country contaminated foods are available and no one is taking a step. So, it is good news that long time ago this news was published. Probably in the meantime, food adulteration, the degree of food adulteration has lessened. And if outsider who are not Bangladeshi, they read the text, they will feel horrified at or shocking, they will feel shocking. How can they stay in Bangladesh for a long time where most of the foods are contaminated? So, students, it is hopeful for you that long time ago it was published, and maybe food adulteration is now, you will find, to a lesser extent, and it is your responsibility as you are growing up, as you are being conscious citizens, as in future you will be higher officials, and in future you will work in agricultural field, you will know this information, and you may of course be moral to preserve the standard of our food grade. However, food adulteration means when making the food impure, or by adding another substance with it, or making the food substandard by adding another substance. Who can do it? Of course, good people will not do it. Of course, common people will not do it. Either ignorant people or people, in the case of businessmen, they are greedy businessmen who want to make greater profit at the expense of public health, at the expense of people's health. They are of course ruthless people. They are of course not good people, immoral people, dishonest people. They should not be tolerated. Adulteration is not only, adulteration does not occur only in the case of food, in pharmaceuticals, in cosmetics, in fuel, in several fields you will find this adulteration. And some days ago or 1 or 2 years ago, I also heard a news, a famous brand of powder, I am not mentioning the brand name, that also contained a harmful substance, and for that reason it was banned for some time. I am not mentioning the name of that powder, and we always use that powder for our baby, for the safety of our baby's skin. So, adulteration occurs not only in Bangladesh, but in Bangladesh it happens, it is done to a greater extent, and for this reason it tells adulteration reaches new height. Let us read the article that was published in Dhaka Tribune. Actually, this article was also a survey report, and this survey was made by a 15-member team of the National Food Safety Laboratory. It was a survey report, it was a survey made by a 15-member team of National Food Safety Laboratory, and that they were also supported from the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. That team, they collected food samples from capitals, means Dhaka, Dhaka's Karwan Bazar, Gulshan and Mohakhali markets. They collected food samples and they tested those foods and got these alarming news. Okay, we are starting reading. As it is also an essay, not only a survey of our food samples, but also it is an essay. Let us follow how it has been written. Of course, you will first we are reading introductory paragraph. In an introductory paragraph, what we will find thesis statement or thesis, the idea that has been developed throughout the whole essay. Introductory paragraph, then we will get body paragraph, and in the last we will find concluding paragraph. In introductory paragraph, let us read. Unsafe levels of pesticides are present in around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits sold in the capital's markets, a recent survey has found. Recent survey has found that unsafe levels of pesticides are present in how many foods? Are present in around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits which are sold in the capital's markets. A 15-member team of the National Food Safety Laboratory, with support from the Food and Agriculture Organization, came up with the findings after collecting and testing food samples from the capital's Gulshan, Karwan Bazar and Mohakhali market. So, we get the thesis or thesis statement in our introductory paragraph. Thesis: unsafe levels of pesticides. We are talking about unsafe levels of pesticides in our food. Okay. Next, body paragraph. I think the first paragraph is clear. The survey report, a copy of which was acquired by the Dhaka Tribune, read the survey report, a copy of which was acquired by the Dhaka Tribune, read, that survey report tells that nearly 40% of 82 samples of milk, milk products, fish, fruits and vegetables contained banned pesticides such as DDT, aldrin, chlordane and heptachlor. I am not going to elaborate DDT, aldrin, heptachlor, you will read it by yourselves, but these are banned pesticides and how much criminal they are that they are using these banned pesticides to our food. What are these banned pesticides? Banned pesticides. Students, you whose relatives are engaged in agricultural field, in working at agricultural field, your uncles, your father, your brother, you will notice whether they are using these pesticides. What are these banned pesticides? DDT, aldrin, chlordane, CAs, chlordane and heptachlor. Students of science background will easily understand what are these materials, but students of science, arts faculties or commerce faculties, they will search for the words in the dictionary or in mobile dictionary. They will get nice help from those dictionaries. So, these banned pesticides, you are conscious citizens, future citizens of our country. So, you must be careful of using these, careful of those persons whether they are using these pesticides. Pesticides means insect killer. We use to kill insects or pests. The amounts of pesticide in these samples are found to be 3 to 20 times greater than the limits set by the European Union. Then Bangladeshi people will die if they mix pesticides in such a great amount. What should the people of Bangladesh do? Will they die? And this is really very sad when people will of other countries will read this essay. Okay, the amount of pesticides in these samples were found to be 3 to 20 times greater than the limits set by the European Union. There is a limit that this amount can be applied for the sake of preserving them from insects, but this amount our ignorant people, we use 3 to 20 times greater than the limits set by the European Union. And in which food? Milk products, fish, fruits, vegetables that are very, very essential to build up our body, to prevent our bodies from several diseases. Around 50% vegetables and 35% fruits were found to be contaminated with unsafe level of pesticides. Then we get around 50% vegetables, which is mentioned in the first paragraph, around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits and 35% fruits were found to be contaminated with unsafe level of pesticides. We are living around these things. Analyzing more than 30 samples of turmeric powder, to make our food. Turmeric is also very used as to kill insects also sometimes, and we use it in our cooking curries. It is very much necessary, otherwise curries look very dull, not attractive. Analyzing more than 30 samples of turmeric powder, branded packaged and open. Branded means you may get branded turmeric powder when you watch advertisement on TV or cinema. The team also found that nearly 30% of the samples contained traces of lead chromate, which can be fatal if swallowed or inhaled. Lead is fatal. Lead we use in water pipes probably. Lead is very much fatal for human health. Achha. Okay. 30% of the samples of turmeric powder contain traces of lead chromate, which can be fatal if swallowed or inhaled. These samples also contained lead at 20 to 50 times. Again, another amount of lead we find greater in amount. Another substance is greater in amount, that is lead. These samples also contained lead at 20 to 50 times above the safety limit of 2.5 parts per million set by the Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute. So, it is also to a high degree. Arsenic and chromium above safety limits were detected in a total of 5 out of 13 rice samples. Even in rice samples, we also got the existence of arsenic and chromium. Arsenic, and how does arsenic and chromium gets their presence in rice sample? Okay, when you read water pollution, you learned probably that the pesticides that we use in our paddy fields is washed and falls and mixes into the water of pond or ditches when rain drops falls. Okay, and in this way water gets polluted, and that water enters in the paddy's body, paddy field. So, our rice that we eat, that is our main food, that is also contaminated with arsenic, a kind of poison. Chromium. Using a sensitive high performance liquid chromatography HPLC, it is a high performance liquid chromatography method that we use to measure contamination in any sensitive food. Okay, developed by the Food Safety Lab developed it, and 66 samples were analyzed for the presence of formaldehyde. Adulteration was thereby detected in samples of coriander, mango and fresh shrimps. Coriander, mango, fresh shrimps. Coriander is used, coriander leaves we use in salad or in several foods to make it tastier, but we eat green coriander leaves, and but it is contaminated, and contaminated with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde we use formalin. Formaldehyde is used as formalin to preserve dead bodies. So, we got the existence of formalin in coriander, mango and fresh shrimps. The tests indicated that poultry feed in the country had also been contaminated. Poultry feed, as samples of chicken and fish contain traces of antibiotics. What is antibiotic? I should not tell you, I think. Antibiotic that can destroy or prevent the growth of bacteria and cure infection. Antibiotic is used to destroy the presence of bacteria, or antibiotic is used to cure infection. This antibiotic is given, is mixed with the food of chicken, duck, in poultry farm, and also in ponds where we cultivate fish, ponds or river water. and to such a high degree we add antibiotics that we found that the chicken and fish contained traces of antibiotics. Flesh, chicken and fish, we got antibiotics from their body. High microbial populations were found in several samples of pasteurized milk, indicating poor procedures by the manufacturers. What is pasteurized process? Pasteurizing. Okay, pasteurizing, it is the process of heating. In the case of milk, it is the process of heating milk to a high temperature, in a high temperature, so that small particles may not exist, and heat to a high temperature and then quickly cool it before bottling it or packaging, before bottling and packaging it to make it free from bacteria. So, pasteurized process is also questionable. High microbial populations were found in several samples of pasteurized milk. You will notice who take pasteurized milk, usually who students of hostel students, they need good food, and they milk is a very easy source of getting several components of food, but it is also contaminated, and our students are getting sick gradually. Indicating poor processing procedures, this presence of microbial populations, presence of microbial populations in pasteurized milk indicates that poor processing procedures are followed by the manufacturers. Manufacturers are not taking right process, correct process when they are pasteurizing milk. Samples of cucumber and street foods also showed high microbial populations, suggesting widespread contamination in the water supply. Cucumber is a very common element in street food. Not only in street food, we also use cucumber in our daily food every day, with our daily meal every day. But this cucumber and other street foods, they also examined those foods and they found that water supply has been contaminated, because microbial populations are present in those foods. The director of Institute of Public Health told the Dhaka Tribune that the survey report has been submitted to the Health Ministry, but the tests of different products are being carried out at the Food Safety Lab. Then director of Institute of Public Health told the Dhaka Tribune that the survey report has been submitted to the Health Ministry, and but the tests of different products are being carried out at the Food Safety Lab. Report has been submitted to they submitted the report to Health Ministry. A former Director General of the Health Services and Senior National Advisor of the FAO, that Director General said the findings were shocking for the whole nation. So, I was telling you, it is shocking for the people outside, living outside Bangladesh. Of course, it is horrific for them, but not only for them, it is shocking for the whole nation. So, you students, what you will do reading this article? Okay, you will be moral in future. He said that the findings were shocking for the whole nation. He added that instead of focusing only on the end products, the issue should be addressed at the root level. Of course, he was right. The issue should be addressed at the root level. At the root level, when we are using pesticides to kill pests or insects in mango trees, when mango is in its state of mango is in bud, mango buds are found, we use too much pesticides sometimes. As a result, pesticides is found, several pesticides are found in mango or in several fruits. So, we should address the people of the root level people who are working in the field, also who are taking part in processing, who are working as labor or technician. We should look at them, pointing out that there were 4 steps in the production process: farmer producing crops or food, transporters carrying the food from the farmers to town or cities, wholesalers who buy that food from the transporters, and retail trader who sell the foods at para or locality. He said they should be monitored better and supervised, and this monitoring and supervising should be mandatory for stopping food adulteration. So, in our country, what we find? We find monitoring and supervision is very flexible here. It should be strict. Adulterated food products are reportedly the cause behind thousands of people suffering from fatal diseases like cancer, kidney failure and heart problems. Now we are coming to the point of effect of using pesticides in the food. Effect. What happens when we eat that contaminated food? It causes cancer, kidney failure and heart problems. Our students who drink pasteurized milk, what happens to them in future? Cancer, kidney failure and heart problems. And these diseases, they cost huge amount of money to the families because these treatments are very much expensive. Health specialists told the Dhaka Tribune that the Ministry of Food had enacted a Food Safety Act but was yet to prepare the necessary rules. Probably in the meantime, those rules have been prepared. As the issue of food safety was also linked to 14 other ministries. Notice, 14 ministries with food safety ministry of food is working. Still, immoral people, greedy businessmen are contaminating our foods. As the issue of food safety was also linked to 14 other ministries, a coordinated agency should take responsibility of ensuring safety in food products, they added. Students, I don't know whether you are laughing or not, but it is true. I hope that in future you will monitor and supervise this work strictly. You will be good administrator, good higher officials, so that greedy businessmen get punished severely. Immoral people are taught to be moral. Okay. So, effect, cause and effect essay it is, and the effect is written at the end of the para, and also the para is here concluded in this way. So, not only we read the article on food adulteration, we also learn writing, how to learn how to write a cause and effect essay. Now, let us solve some questions. Choose the right answer. If I read these answers, questions and answer, it was very much boring. But if you had been present before me, it would have been very interesting, very pleasing and more communicative. What percentages of milk samples contained pesticide? What percentages of milk samples contained pesticide? Do you remember? Milk samples, yes, in the second para. Go back to second para, and there we notice that 40% of 82 samples of milk products contain banned pesticides. Then 40%. Number 3. Question number B. How did the scientists realize that the water supply was contaminated? water supply was contaminated. How did they realize this fact? Because of microbial presence, from the color of the water, from the analysis of the mineral content, through chemical test, because of microbial presence. Why were question 3 C, why were microbial populations present in pasteurized milk? In pasteurized milk, I told you, it is in the case of pasteurization, what happens? The food is heated in a high temperature and then it is stored before cooling. Before cooling, it is stored in bottle. But our pasteurized milk is also contaminated because of widespread contamination in the water cows drink? No. Because of the formaldehyde content in the milk? No. Because of poor processing of the milk? All of the above. I think because of poor processing of the milk. Question on D. The amounts of pesticide in local food samples are dash times greater than the limits set by the European Union. Pesticide in local food samples are how much times greater? We read it 3 to 20 times greater than the limits set by European Union. You just remember it, 3 to 20 times greater. So, number 2, put the tick mark on number 2, 20. How many ministries are concerned with the food safety issue? How many ministries are concerned? 10, 15, 1, 14. I think 14 other ministries with Ministry of Food. Then 15 ministries. Okay. Answer the following questions now. Answering and question. I am reading, I am answering. No, I will not answer. I will just analyze the question. What does new height refer to in the title of the news report? New height refers to the extent, to the greater extent, to the greater extent, the presence of pesticides in our food to a greater extent, greater degree. This is meant by new height. What confirms that even our poultry products are contaminated? Poultry products are contaminated. I read. The tests indicated using a sensitive high performance liquid chromatography method developed by Food Safety Lab. This test indicated that poultry feed in the country had also been contaminated. Samples of chicken and fish contained traces of antibiotics. Traces of antibiotics proved that food samples of chicken and fish are contaminated. Traces of antibiotics confirm that even our poultry products are contaminated. What are the health risks related to adulterated food? What are the health risks? Contaminated food, taking contaminated foods causes several diseases, fatal diseases like cancer, kidney failure, heart problems, etc. You may add other problems also. What is the current state of the Food Safety Act? What is the current state? Current state means today's condition or the condition when the survey report was produced. So, we should be aware of the fact. So, I am not answering this question D. Now, come to the point of matching. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B in the box below. Let us match column A with column B. Pasteurized means I told you pasteurized goes with the meaning of column B's point C. The process of heating milk to a high temperature and then quickly cooling it before bottling or packaging to make it free from bacteria. Banned means, what does ban means? Prohibited. Banned means prohibited. It is adjective. Contaminated. Contaminated means made impure by contact or mixture with something unclean. Okay, contamination. Adulteration is synonymous with contamination, defilement, I should say. Let us write those words. Also, you should know, you should learn some synonyms. Contamination, adulteration. Defilement, what more? Contamination. Populations. Here, population means not only people, it is microbial populations. It refers to organism of the same group or species. Organism of the same group or species. Microbe, a tiny living thing that can only be seen under a microscope. Microbe, you know, you are reading the adjective microbial, so it is noun. Microbe is a noun. It is a tiny living thing. A tiny living thing which is visible, only under microscope. A tiny living thing which is visible only under microscope. So this microbial presence we found where? I have forgotten. Where did we find microbial presence? Do you remember, dear students? Cucumber. Samples of cucumber and street foods also showed high microbial populations. Then end product. What does end product means? End products from potatoes we make potato fry, potato chips, that is end product, and we packaged it. That is end product. Mandatory. Mandatory means compulsory. And microbial, adjective pertaining to or characteristic of a microbe. Okay, I think I have finished the text and I have solved the question. Students, I think you have understood the passage, you have understood the article, and I hope you will not be disappointed with me. And I hope in my next class you will be more interested to sit before me. Thank you.